We're now going to get our potatoes out of the oven. You can see there's a nice brown marshmallow crust on the outside, on the top. And it smells delicious. Be careful because it's very hot when you pull it out of the oven. All of those juices in there with the sugar gets super hot. And you want to make sure to not burn yourself while taking it out of the oven. Because remember, this is also quite heavy. The casserole dish has weight of its own, and then you add in all of the fruits and vegetables, and you've got quite a big load in there. Now, one thing you want to be careful about is when the marshmallows come out of the oven, they're only going to stay puffed up for a while. If you let them sit for too long, then the marshmallows are going to start melting into the casserole, and then you will lose the top.